Ew. 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 Oh man. Oh man. Hello everyone. I'm very excited. Very excited. Need to put some background music. Gonna take all my time. Yes, yes, yes. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. Okay, I put bangers. I guess. Bok bok bok. Hello everyone. Check everything's fine. Maybe the chat could be a bit more up here. Nah. Oh my. Ooh. Bok. Bok. Saru, thanks a lot. Should I spin the broccoli wheels today? Maybe. Ah! There's a big box waiting for me behind. There's a big box. A big box. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I give you some time, everyone. Thanks a lot. There's already so many people. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Love you, kisses, kisses, duck, duck.
Eee, love you too. Love you all. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go to train hype. Yeah, okay, I spin the wheel fast. I spin the wheel. This one is for Saru. Thanks a lot, Saru. Thanks a lot, Soviet Foxtrot. And thanks a lot, Beepwood. How much is it? 100 broccolis. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. You need a tiny bit before I can start, I think.
I want to see the box.
You want to see the box? Don't look at the dirt behind the rat cage. But there's a big box right here. Big box. It's a box. With a secret in it. E-box. Wait. So much happening. Litire Drago, hey, thanks for the follow. And as Shara, if I pronounce right, thanks a lot as well. Wait, I spin fast the broccoli wheels for ish new subscribers. Subscribement. I can't talk. I'm too excited. Ah! Soviet! Foxtrot, this wheel is for you, let's go. Does Max fit inside the box? I guess so. It's probably a bit crush, my poor little boy. 10 broccoli for Soviet. I do that fast. For Max. I hurry. And then we go directly to the box. Next one is Peepwood. Thanks a lot, Peepwood. I'm happy to see ya. Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack, tick tack. 10 again. Oh my gosh. It's broccoli distribution first. Oh, pui, pui. So many beats. Thank you. Thank you, Scene, for the 100 beats too. And Matrixy, thank you, thank you. You're all so sweet. Okay, next wheel, Jupotter, 2 wheel, because it's tier 2. 2 broccoli wheel. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tick tack, tick tack. 100. Awesome. Second wheel. I hurry. And 10. So 110 for Jupotter. Jupotter. You tap. Done. Okay, good, good. Alright, let me bring the box. It's the box.
Run.
Oh no! What are you doing? Let me open the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe I won't spin all the wheel today. Oh my gosh, okay, okay, okay. I can spin the wheel later. Alright? We're gonna spin later. First the box. Selime, thank you for the follow. Look at my big scissor. It's my big scissor. It's big. Oh my. Are you ready? Is everyone ready? Oh my gosh. Matrixix, thank you for the follow. Skull, thank you for the 200 beats. Yeah, I love the scissors. They're old and nasty, but very good. You're not ready? Maybe I shouldn't leak the box. Dog things. Stop picking everything. One side is open. Silver, thank you for the beds. Oh my gosh. I turn. I'm gonna do it slow. Slow opening. A tiny arrow, yeah. I respected it. Release the doggo soon, soon. Okay. Now the top. I need to be careful. Did you make protection on it, Rodney? Can I go deep or no? Maybe not. Let's be careful. I'm gonna stab my boy. Box stick here. I saw some fluff. Oh my gosh, level 4 hype train. You crazy, everyone. Okay, you are good. The box is open. The box is open. Who made this one? It's made by R5 and the maker is actually in the chat. It's Rodney. Rodney5 is the maker of this pretty boy. Me. Hi, Rodney. Should I call you Dad? Or is it awkward? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, Rob, thanks for 200 beats. I see some fluff here. I think that's the tail. Let's start with the tail. You should call him Daddy. You're not the first. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, it's big. Look at that curl. Look at that curl. Look at that. Boing. Boing. Soft. And it's 3 colors. You get some white here, some beige here, darker brown here. Very fluffy. Very pretty. Show everything. Yeah. I like that he did that. This protection. Then I put it directly on my butt. Can't wait. It always look awkward when you remove your belt like that. No, 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 no. No, no, no. You don't fall. You stay where you are. Don't have much space. Stay here. Stay. Good boy. Tail time. You want to escape? Naked? No, I won't. I don't have the body yet, by the way. This is only the partial. With feet paws, so it's like, yeah, partial. The body will come later. Nudity, you're calling the police? No, I'm still having clothes. I'm still having clothes. I'm just, Saru, thank you for gifting a sub to Rodney. That's super sweet. I'm struggling a bit to put the tail on. While reading your message, I'm like multitasking. Efficient. Okay, got it. Oh my gosh. Such a big tail. Such a big tail. I'm gonna move that. Teddy push. Move the box. You can't see. Wow. Tail. See tail. Oh, I love it. I love the curl. You nailed the curl. It's very good. It's so lovely. Sally's like, what the fuck are you doing again? She got the bone. Sally got the bone. Doesn't care at all. Oh my. Oh my. Perfect size and shape. Yeah, it's very good. It's perfect. Very, very good. I approve. Oh man. Did I miss something before I go on with the things? The stuff? The fluff? Let's go! Oh my. Linko de Mayo, thanks a lot for the bits! Sally's stealing the show. Yeah? She's chewing on a bone. Okay. The best part. I need to stop biting and chewing things. Go away. I'm gonna grab a paw. Start with one paw. Shit, I forgot which paw is having the toe, the special toe. Oh, we got an hype to emote. Hype sneak. Talking of sneak, I'm gonna take a sippy. Thanks everyone, by the way, for this crazy hype train. The paws are beautiful. Look at that. Look at the spines. It's extremely soft. This fur is extremely soft. I love it. The claws are pretty. Tiny, like fake laser claws. Big beans. Squishy beans. Good squish. I approve of the squish. Even squishy here. Squishy everywhere. But I forgot which one is left, which one is right. Very good. Very soft. I forgot about my own character reference. I'm a dum-dum. Excite. Come on, ref, open. I want to see. You don't know what is that, but they'll figure out. Yeah, like subscribers get special emotes from my channel that they can use everywhere. And on this channel, normally I also spin a broccoli wheel for you, and broccoli are like some kind of loyalty point you can collect to get like free art or all the cool stuff. And you also get a rat, a pixel rat on the screen at the bottom that you can customize and stuff. Pretty cool. So this one is... Oh, the one where I got my cross. Okay, so... Left one. Oh. Oh, they're very good. They're big. Big and squishy, just like I wanted. I want a second one. Here it is. This one got a special toe. I mean toe. Finger? It's not a toe. I mean, do you say toe then for dogs, maybe? I want to try them first. Oh, so good. I'm all red. It's crazy. I'm way too red. I'm just excited, okay? Abby Verin, thanks a lot for subscribing. Welcome here. Thank you, thank you. For Meoxie's paw, yeah, like it's like the total opposite of Meoxie's paw. It's big and chunky. I love them. They are wonderful. Doggy, do you want to see my paw? Doggy need to go soon. Sadly, but... Oh, look at that. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna remove them for now. So we can look at the rest. They are luxurious. Luxurious. I'm sorry if I'm missing message. It's a bit hard to follow everything. You love the big fingers, yeah, me too. Like, it's perfect. It's really big dog. Big dog fingers. Ah, doggy, look. Look at that. I didn't look at the head yet. I don't dare. But look at my tail first. Look at my tail. Look at my tail. Look at my tail. And look at those. Look at those beans. Look at that.
Oh, they're so soft.
The fur is super soft and it's super squishy. Come.
Oh, they're so...
Yeah, it's like tiny fake lasers,
Yeah.
Clau, like your nose. And my nose actually should be the same. You can look, I don't look. Look before I go. Don't look. Because Doggy is leaving, so she wants to see it before she goes, but not yet,
Oh my
paws.
god, that's so cool.
No. I hate it. It's my big paws.
It's so cool. And the snoots.
Uh-huh. I'm so happy with the paws already. And the tail as well.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Have fun.
Thank you. See you later. I love ya. Now look at the big paws first. It's breaking apart. Yeah. Oh my gosh. More beans. Did someone order beans? More big beans. Look at those. Ah. Oh. Hi Samuel. You love this maker already? Yes. It's good. It's good. So it's a good squish on it. The claws are very good as well. They're small, but they fit perfectly on it. It's the beans. And the beans. There's a shoe inside. It's extra. This one is super soft. It's like the softest of them all. This amber one. Everything is super soft. Oh. Oh. Chest size paw, yeah, true. It's it's kind of huge. You will want sandals for those. Talking of sandals, I got sandals. Let me look. I'm trying to not look at mine. I think they are here. He made me sandals. He made me special sandals for them. Look. Okay, put the big paws in it. They will stay safe. Fine. That's very important. Second big paw. This fur is wonderful. I can't believe it. Like, it's got some shine in it. I don't know if you can see. And it's so soft. And yeah, like I said, there will be a body for this fursuit, but later. I still need to make the duct tape dummy and send it to them. For now, it's just a partial, but it's still wonderful. They are so big. Happy dog noise. Okay, so time is coming. The time is coming. I put the beans on the side for now. Am I ready? Why it is so hard to keep clean? Yeah, I know. Okay. Why is the dog at still in there? Oh. Forgot a little something. Forgot a little something. Nose ring. Not sure, I have a nose ring. It's a magnetic nose ring. Look. It's shiny. Can you focus? Focus. Yeah. It's my shiny nose ring. And it's tiny magnet in there. That's gonna be super cool. I need to try. Sorry, wrong emote. Hélas. Okay. Oh my. Is that a joke? Rodney, I love you. There's a glow gun in my fursuit head. Candle. It's serious. Alright. I hope that's it. Oh my. Yeah, I remember that. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, the boy is here. I don't dare to look yet. You can just see here. Look. We nearly have the same color. Nearly the same color. 8 years. I have so many rats on my face. That glue on is hot. It's not even hot. I'm disappointed. It's funny. I'm looking at the back first. Yeah, very good, very good. Big neck. Big neck is good. Cold glue gun. Okay, let's go. You ready? I'm gonna show it to you first. I'm gonna show him to you all first. I don't look. He looks so sleepy. Let's remove the eyelid first. Oh, they are good. That's my eyelid. He's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Wait, I stand a bit. Look at my big boy. Soft. Extremely soft. Big floppy ears. The snoot is amazing as well. So I guess this is, yeah, magnetic. We can remove it. So I got two different ones then. This one and this one. A bit thinner. Nose is good. Big snoot. Big snoot. The mouse. Can I show everything? Come on, focus. Yes. Hopefully this should work a bit. Kind of. Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome. Look, he's hiding the teeth. Thank you, dog. Sweet hype. Yes, yes, yes.
33 month suit hype. Mine is in shipping right now.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm missing most of the message. I was so excited. He's perfect. Yes, he is. The teeth are wonderful, and I love that the jaw walk. Like, this is the jaw. You can put it up and down, so you can be like, grey, grey. Hey. All the teeth. All the teeth. And there's a big tongue. Normally I can remove it. Yeah. Can remove the tongue. And make it here, so it's like That's awesome. He's numbing your arm. That's cute. The neck is so huge. Oh my gosh. So huge. Wolf Kangal. Kanama, thank you lot for the follow. Welcome. Big lip. And then with the eyelid, I want to see again. How does that work? Outside, I guess? Yes. Did I make it good? Don't know about this one. Yeah. Am I doing it right? I never had eyes and eyelid like that. I think I'm doing it right. Yeah. Sleepy boy. The hair are great as well. I mean, it's great. The hair is great. I don't know. It's great. It's all great. I love it. And the cross here as well. Look. You can barely see it on the camera, but there is a black cross on the ear. And the fur is more brown than it looks. Ah, see, you can see it a bit. That's so cool. Hey Sage! What's that? It's Max! Ah. Okay, I want to try it on. Obviously, that's this is the next step, right? Where did I put the second nose ring? On the floor. Put it back. Yup. Yeah. Kramer, yes, yes, yes. First, I need to look at everything. No? He's so cool. Yeah. I put the tongue back inside more. Wonderful. The teeth are really good. It's slightly yellow like I wanted. Look. Big teeth. That on here too. And on the side. I love it. I love the jaw. Like this is really... I love it. You nailed it. Mwah. I lost my head, yeah, kind of. Okay. Time to try them. Do I make a be right back? I'm gonna make a tiny be right back. So you don't like see the process. Okay, come back. Be nice. Bock. Bock, Bock, Bock. Okay. Keine done. Aber. Just need one bar. How do I look? Probably hard to see the paw. I love it! Imagine it's a heart. Ah! I love it. I love it. I can see well. Breathability is quite good too. I don't think my glasses can fit in there, so I'm probably gonna have to wear a contact lens. But it's great. Trying to see if the ear flop or not. I can't see. Oh man, I love it. Thank you so much, Rodney. Thank you. Can I put the eyelid easily with my big paws? Don't think so. Guess not. That's okay. I don't want to do mistake. Ah, I love it. Oh wait, everyone. I'm gonna remove it, and I want to do to ask something before I stop. Big boy, big boy. I want to ask you something. Oh man, but you're in my mouth. What a surprise! Oh, that's so good. Big hug, yes. I can't wait. I can't wait to bring him at convention and hug everyone with him. It's gonna be great. Oof. Okay, last thing I want you to help me with. I want to make Max a Fursuit spray because it's like we do Fursuit spray, right? And I want you to help me to find a smell that will fit Max the most. Because can you glomp me? Yeah, sure. All the hug, all of them. I can't wait. Hopefully at next event I will also have the body, so I will be extremely fluffy. Caramel, I don't have like... I only have limited scents, so that's a problem. Don't know if you can see the list, probably not. Yeah. That's what I have. Is there something you see that will fit Max? Stone? Why would I smell like stone? I'm gonna sit. And I still can't believe Rodney put that inside. I found a glue gun inside my fursuit head. Unacceptable. I want a refund. I'm kidding. And the eyelid. Oh man. So what do you say? Lime, mango, pine, cinnamon. Problem with cinnamon, it's out of stock everywhere. I need to reorder it. But cinnamon could fit him well, yes. He's looking at me, so cute. Look at him. He's looking. Actually, he can join. He can join the two other one on top here. Big boy. Here you go. The cut head rack, ja. Oui, de pire, c'est qu'il faut porter. Ah, yeah. I did wrong. Beautiful. Hello, little boy team. Oh man. You still have my cinnamon Fursuit spray, absolute 5 cents. You got it from me. Nice. Nice. Yeah, probably cinnamon. I could even mix it. Maybe cinnamon with something fruity. Like mango, yeah? Maybe mango. I like pine as well, yes. Pine. Maybe pine, cinnamon, and like mango. Maybe a mix of three. I don't know. Cinnamon and lime could be cool too. Thank you, Roddy. Got my hair going everywhere. You can't see it much with the webcam, but getting fluffy. I'm glad. And I really love the paws. Like, big bonus for the paws. Can I show them off again? I even get a free glue gun. I love it. So happy. Goofy boy! Thank you for yours. You know, Chips, that glue gun works, so it's okay. I will keep it in memory of the joke. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Alright, but everyone, that's it. Like, I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I'm really happy. I love it. Thanks a lot again, Rodney. Thanks everyone for coming and watching this unboxing with me. I had a lot of fun. I'm still all red from like excitement. It was so cool. Face, yes. That's my face. And there's my two other face up here. And doggy in the middle. Squirrel! Where? You lied, there's no squirrel. Thank you for streaming it. Yes, I really wanted to share that excitement with you all. It's great. Probably will make another one when I will get the body. To like unbox the body and try it all together. First time with you all. It's gonna be great. I have no idea when I will get it, so I first need to make my duct tape dummy and then send it to Rodney's girlfriend, which is actually gonna be working on it. I'm excited. Very excited. Link to the maker? Yeah, sure. Sure. Should I share your Twitter, Rodney? Let's share the tweet. So Rodney. I mean, I can also shout out his Twitch, but I don't think he stream. Do you? You should stream. You could stream on the Fursuit making. It would be awesome. Look, that's your rat here. You see, Max? Okay, I can show everything again one time before I stop. So everyone that just came in can see it all. If you miss the unboxing part. Just give them some experience. Sure. I will advertise this suit everywhere. Koya is waiting outside. You gotta go. Bye, Rodney. Take care. Thanks a lot again. Okay, let's show off everything and then I stop here. What do we have? Yeah. First, it was the tail that I'm still wearing. Big, big, fluffy tail. Very Kangal-like. He nails the shape. It's like good curl. Like long and curly at the tip. It's perfect. Perfect tail. Boing. Very waggy. Very waggy. Then we had the paws that I showed, but I'm gonna show it again because I love them. They're great. Tail. That's really huge. Yeah, Kangal are big dogs. Everything is big. Big dog, big tail, big paws. Look at this big paws. Clap. I love him. Then we had the feet paws that I'm gonna remove. I mean, I can show. Big paws. Gonna remove them. They're very comfortable, by the way. Very good. They're already full of dog hair. I didn't wear the sandals because I'm an idiot. No, I'm not an idiot. I was just too excited, so I put them on very fast. But that's okay, just dog hair. Big paws, big beans. You can see the marking here. It's good. It's very good. How's the pop? Already full of dog hair. But they are very, very soft. Very, 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 very soft. And the big boy. The big boy. With his beautiful floppy ears, with pink in it. The nose ring. You can remove the nose ring, it's a magnet. And I got two of them. I got this one and the thinner one. A bit more floppy. I like this one more. Big teeth. Teeth are very well made. And I got a jaw that I can put up like that here on the side. Like big dog, you know, they got a big jaw, all floppy. So Max too. The tongue is also a velcro, so I can remove it and put it more drooly somehow. It works good too. Back in. Yup. Yeah. And we also got eyelid. This is normal expression. And if I want, I can make him a bit sleepy. Sleepy or horny, I don't know, you choose. But supposed to be sleepy. Oh my gosh, Pitties! Hello! Bedroom my eyes, yeah, but wink wonk. Pitties, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Yeah, the floppy jaw are great. I really love it. And yeah, the neck is huge as well. It's very, very long. It's very comfy inside. Like it's very close to the face, but like it's stable. And the vision is great as well because the eyes are very big. I love that. So yeah. Big pretty boy, oh. Up. Good boy. Good boy too. Alright, I'm excited. And thanks for the suggestion with the Fursuit prey. I will think of it and I will choose one. Probably something with like pine was mostly what people said. Maybe some cinnamon and like lime or mango, I think was like the main one people said. I will look into that. I love my tail too. All the fluff. You're too late, I'm sorry. He looks awesome. I really love him. I will probably make some pictures later on with Doggy. When she come back, we're gonna first sit together and take some hopefully nice pictures so I can share them. And yeah, I can't wait to wear him at convention, at events, and be dogging around. And I will still be ratting around, okay? I will still be wearing Meoxie time to time. Meoxie is more for like the party animal after dark rat. Going around and annoying everyone. Max will be more soft. Soft, big dork. Bork. So yeah, that's it. Fine, yeah, I know. Hey, doggos. No Borky. They're excited too. Everyone is excited. Oh yeah, there's Ratatouille on the cage. That's the boys. Oh man. Can we read someone before I stop? What about Authority Finn? Because she's a fursuit maker. And she seems like she's just starting, so let's do that. Up. Did you miss unboxing? Yes, you did. I'm sorry. You can see Max on top here. But I will be posting the VOD on YouTube, so even when it's gone from Twitch, people can still see it if they want. And that's it. I stop here, everyone. I love you all. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a good time. I had a great time for sure. Get to YouTube, Blue. Love you all. That was awesome. Looks so small. Yeah. It's a baby boy. My baby boy. Serotonin, yes. So much of it. Bye bye. Let's read Authority Finn. You can stay, you can go do what you want. Thanks a lot for coming. And any case, I love you all. I forgot to spin the broccoli wheel. Next time. I will spin them, okay? I will remember. There's few everywhere. There's few everywhere. Bye. Bok.